Shubor Nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka kunhun menteri ka jala Meghalaya kala menjore ka polisi thamai ban penbet ya jing Aiwai ya ki kali ban ki bai jong kiru Shimet shakinong jong okai perthei kani ka sinjam kalong ban pentikna ya jing shngan jugina wan jong okai bat ban wan ra ya jing long badan kambha ha ka benta ka bahadu menta kala trikam khlem ka jing pet banya ka bapura da jing thawi kani ka rukam trikam ka bathmai baro kiru Shimet bat kinong penya Shimet ki ba ajing shakri ban Aiwai ya ki kali bat ki arshaka jongki Menta Kidei ban Pynrung Kyrteng ha Tnat transport kani ka polisi kalong ban bu ikirukam trikam kum kaan ban sinshar ya kani ka benta ka bapenna ya ka jala ban budien ya ki kam snew bat ban ra ka jingshingan.
Not clear today because we have asked for further clarification and amendments, and 19 items were finally taken up and approved. The first two was a policy and a legal framework for motorcycles and vehicles to be rented out to tourists and to people. As you're aware that many tourists come to our state and they rent vehicles from the private individuals. And till date, there has not been a mechanism to actually regulate for the overall, regulation of the sector as well as overall safety of the tourist. So we have come out with a policy on this matter, and we are now going to regulate it. And people who are interested in renting out the bikes and vehicles to the tourist will have to now register with the transport department to be able to rent their vehicles to tourists in the future. So those were the first two. One was for vehicles and one was for motorcycles. The third agenda we took up in the cabinet was the extension of the lease for Polo Orchid and Jiva Resort in Sora. As you're aware, in the beginning, the resort, both Jiva and Polo, was given about close to about 30 years of lease, and they were paying a certain amount to the state government based on the lease. Yeah, so earlier it was leased out for 10 years to each one of them, and they were paying 2 lakhs by the Polo, 2 lakhs per month, and 2,48,000 by the Jiva Resort. Then in between we extended the lease to 8 years for Orchid, Polo, and 5 years for Jiva. In between that, we have now leased out many properties to different private players, and we have extended the lease years to up to 60 years so that the feasibility of the project comes out. So based on that, the Orchid and Polo as well as the Jiva Resort have requested the government if they can also get another 30 years of lease based on the steps taken by the government to give to the new parties that are coming in today. So therefore, this came to the cabinet, and cabinet has looked at this, and we have approved this increase of lease of 30 years more to both of them. And we have also decided to increase the amount that they pay to 4% of their gross revenue, which is what is the benchmark for the other resorts that are coming up in that area and in the different parts of the state. So therefore, from 2 lakhs and 2,48,000, they will now have to give us a part of their revenue, which is about 4%, is what has been decided. And at the same time, they will have to give an annual lease rental of 5 lakh rupees also to the government. So this was the third decision we took. We had a large number of service rules. So I'll just go into the service rules directly. So we had amended the Meghalaya Subordinate Treasury Accounts Service Rule. We have also amended the Meghalaya Urban Affairs Service Rule 2024. We have also amended the Meghalaya Nursing Homes Licensing and Registration Rules 2015. We have also amended the Meghalaya Judicial Service Rules 2006 and Meghalaya Higher Judicial Service Rules 2015. We have also amended the Meghalaya Police Telecommunication Service Rules 2010. We have also amended the Meghalaya Directorate Establishment Ministerial Service Rules 2025. Yeah, so these are the rules that were today, service rules which were amended today.